Hi guys, I am Jigar Shah from Mumbai and I am enrolled with the Chinmay Tutorials for my CS Professional December 2018. I am glad to say that I have found classes the Chinmay Tutorials very nice. The teacher teaching over here are extremely good and they are very much experienced. The teaching techniques and the method used by the teachers over here are very nice and which makes us things very simple to understand and we retain and remember it for much longer period. The tests conducted over here are completely on the online basis and which gives us the confidence that we are understanding the things quite well. We are getting a good conceptual clarity and also we are confident for our exams. And the live doubt solving lectures are a very big concern for all the students who are especially going for video lectures. Live doubt solving lectures are kept and which makes us very easy as we can talk to teacher live and it makes the things very easy for us to solve our doubts. And we can also study by our convenient timing rather than making us available at the class timing as we are provided with the ready-made recorded video lecture. So thank you Chinmay Tutorial and I am very glad to join you and thank you for supporting me during my CS Professional December 20th.
Hi everyone, myself Prajakta Kamble, the student of Chinmay Tutorials for CS Professional. So first of all, I would really like to thank Chinmay sir and Sonam ma'am for conducting the various methods to connect with the students. Basically, I was so much afraid to join any online classes for professional, but this is really best experience for me because there are many methods such as doubt sessions, test series, which are conducting each and every day and test series at every week. Which really beneficial for us to know the mistakes which are done in exams and it is really very good experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Alisha Shivanani, a student of CS Professional, and I would like to thank all my teachers and staff members for providing us online lectures even in these adverse lockdown conditions. What makes Chinmay Tutorials extraordinary especially lies in the way Chinmay sir teaches. All the teachers teaches us in so interactive manner that even the online lectures makes us feel that we are sitting in front of them. I sincerely respect their efforts in providing us lectures and conducting quiz and weekly test which will surely contribute us in producing better results. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yash. I am taking my CS Professional classes from Chinmay Tutorials. The study material and lectures provided by Chinmay Tutorials are best. Also, the best part is they conduct weekly test series and quiz through online mode, which is very beneficial for us. Also, the mentors here, Chinmay sir and Sonam ma'am, they conduct motivational classes on timely basis and gives us proper guidance on examination. So, if anyone is looking forward for CS coaching, please do join Chinmay Tutorials, the best institute with best mentors. Thank you.